I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll practice how to find different points on the given graph of a circle. The question here is, determine 3 points on a circle defined by the equation x squared plus y squared equals to 10. Now to find points on a circle, what we can do is we can assume different points for x. Now what points of x should you assume? That is also a very interesting part. When you have an equation like x squared plus y squared equals to 10, it really means that the radius is square root of 10, right? So the points which you select for x and y should be within square root of 10. So what is square root of 10? That's fine. It is around 3 point something, right? 3 square is 9. So square root of 10 is decimal value 3.16. So what I'm trying to say is that the point x should be between, I should say, it could be, less than 3.16. Okay. So that is what it could be. You could take square root 10 also as a point, right? So now let us take few points for x and find y points. Just as I said, let me take x equals to square root of 10 to begin with. That is indeed a complicated point. Okay, let us take x equals to square root of 10. I will substitute this for x. So I have square root of 10 whole square plus y square equals to 10. So that gives me 10 plus y square equals to 10. Y square equals to 10 minus 10. So I have y equals to 0, right? 10 minus 10 is 0. Then I square root, I get 0. So one of the point for me is square root of 10 is the x value and the y value is 0. So that could be one of the points on the circle, and this point happens to be what? The x-intercept, right? Now we could take a point, for example, we could take x equals to 0. If I take x equals to 0, then what? In that case we get 0 square plus y square equals to 10, or y equals to square root of 10. Whenever you do square root, you can do plus and minus. So you get 2 points. So the points are 0 square root of 10 or 0 square root of minus 10. These are also some points. So we get 3 points here, right? You could try with values like x equals to 1 also, right? So if I take x equals to 1, so we already have 3 points, but just telling you, if I write x equals to 1, in that case what? I get 1 square plus y square equals to 10, or y square equals to 10 minus 1, which is 9, y equals to plus minus square root of 9, which is plus minus 3. So I get 2 more points, right? So which I get as x equals to 1, y equals to 3, or x equals to 1, y equals to minus 3, right? Likewise, you can find many different points on the circle, right? So some of the points which we found here are square root 10 for x, 0 for y, 0 and square root 10, right? Or we also got 1, 3, 1, minus 3. Likewise, you can list many points, right? So 3 the best 3 which you want to for your circle in this case. I hope that helps you to find different types of points on the circle. Important criteria here is your restriction, right? So you should be restricted to, I could have written plus and minus. X could be actually between minus 3.16, I should say square root 2, or less than equals to square root of 10, correct? Either way. So that is kind of domain for, or the possible values for x, and taking any value we can find different values of y. I hope that helps. Thank you.